Hello, everyone. Um, this video is for educational purpose, and I'm gonna use a Metasploit. It's a open source framework. It works with Linux. Basically, it's like Linux based system, which has vulnerabilities. So they design to make it practical things or testing systems. So I wanna make here clear. Uh, I'm not liable any damage or any harm that caused this demonstration, this video. So it is for educational purpose. Um, I'm doing for a class assignment with Alex, class named Cyber 442. So with that being said, let's start. So this demonstration is required only to have you have to have uh, VirtualBox. So I'm using an Oracle VMware. Also, I'm using a Kali Linux and Metasploit. So this one is another thing. So don't think about it. It's like I'm not gonna use this demonstration. OS is different thing. So I'll be using Kali Linux and also Metasploit. So here you need few things. First thing you need when after installation, you have to set it up same network. Otherwise, when you trying to ping each other, search each other, it's not gonna work. So you have to connect same network. Also, this network also, if you put it like um, I will show you here, network here. The best network you can connect is NAT, and also the other one is hosted only. Because is a this system is vulnerable. So if you put another network, it might you know be hanging low fruit to hackers or someone who's studying, and then they might try to get in your network. So avoid that. So I selected same network, this one, and then this one too. Both they are like NAT network. So I put them like NAT network. All right. So the other thing you need to set it up. I already started. When you start, you need to know the logins. So Kali simply this one I used Kali to log in, and the Metasploit one also I used MSF admin. So it says here MSF admin. Simply you can use that one MSF admin username and password both. All right. So what else you need here? When you are using a Kali Linux, also you want to uh, get ready for uh, attack to Metasploit, test the system as a remote SSH, remotely when you want to get um, your Metasploit. So you have to use here what's called EMS console, MSF console. MSF console is a framework that's a part of the Metasploit and Linux, here Kali Linux. So first time you might need like update. Uh, earlier versions used to have like update, but now if you want to update like there's like a different way. So now this is started. So here is a Metasploit. So if you want to update, let's exit here. If you want to update, you're gonna write it down sudo apt. Okay, ampersand, install. Update. All right, so and install. Okay, okay, sudo apt ampersand. Okay, here you're gonna say update, and then ampersand, and then you're gonna see apt install. So and then you're gonna tell the meta by framework. So I don't want to hit enter. If you hit enter, if I hit enter, it's gonna take a long time. That's like, so that's how you gonna update. That's it. The whole thing you need. So now clear it. We're gonna start our you know and get in the system. So first step we need to is in Nmap to scan the network. Before we scan, we have to know if config for each site. It has like this network 10.10.2.15, and let's see the other one. It has also if config. Okay. The IP address Metasploit also is 10.0.2.5. So let's do here sudo so nmap -a and 10.0.2.5. So hit enter. And then it will ask the password is going to be Kali, admin password. Oh, there's something. Okay. What's wrong? -a. All right. Let's see what's all right. So since we are admin, we don't need like sudo su. I think so. Yeah, sudo then nmap. Because sudo su when you are using a user, you might need to add sudo su. That's gonna be escalating your privilege to administrator. But now we are administrator. We don't need to escalate. Yep. So now it's working. Since this one is gonna take also time, I don't want to waste it and time. I already did it. I think. Let me see the first one. Yep, I got it here. Yeah. So this one is gonna show us like I did it like here. You can see nmap, and then it's already yep here. So it has a vulnerability for S open SSH. Especially, we're gonna use this. It's called VSFTBD. So we're gonna use that one. I'm gonna copy. So let's go back to the second one, and then okay. I'm gonna use the first one. Never mind. So here, we need to go console screen, MSF console screen. That's how we gonna do over there. Before we go there, we might need to. Okay, let's go there. MSF console. It's not gonna take time. Okay, so now we're gonna say search. And put as one. Yep. So now we get this vulnerability we search, and then now it has like uh exploitation. We can exploit. You're gonna use this exploitation. We're gonna say like an exploit, and then that link. Let's copy this one, and then before like that link, you're gonna say use, and then put this test. And then I'm gonna say, okay, show options. What options we have? So still we are doing the reconnaissance phase, like searching, gathering the information, and then after that we gonna execute whatever we get. So now uh, the next step will be we're gonna use our host. Our host. That's gonna be uh, our remote host to connect this Metasploit system. So remember, like we are in a Kali Linux, and then we want to get in this one as a remote. So this is going to allow us to reach here. So you're going to say set our hosts. So now we're set. So we already did it like set. So now, oh, excuse me. So we didn't say we didn't specifically put it like what we are setting. So we have to tell like the IP address that has like our Metasploit. So sorry, my bad. We have to mention our destination where we are going. So this is the IP address we need to get in as a remote. So that's the IP address, and then hit enter. So now, before it was like just, it doesn't have anywhere to go. But now you can see that it shows this step is going to be our exploitation, our like execution phase, or like the time we are like getting in the system. So we're gonna say run. If I hit enter right now, that run, it will be like, get in the system automatically. It will show us. Okay, so now we found shell. Yay. Now, so it shows that's gonna be um it's open now. And then to see, we're gonna say ID, hit enter, and then if you want to see also the desktop or the folders, like the main directories, the computer, we can uh say ls and then root folder. So it will show us like a root folder, whatever that is in there. So we're gonna hit enter. You can see it is desktop, and also the files that are created before. So that's the there. So sorry. Now we are in there, and we want to let me make it this screen divide, and then we're gonna see here. So let me show you here real quick what is in here. Our system sudo uh, ls/root and msfadmin. Okay, let me. Okay, not found. Okay, sudo root. Oh, okay, that's my bad. I did it like, yep. So now you can see the files that are showing in here is showing also here. You know, a txt c 44.txt desktop, all that files are in here and then they're shown here. So that shows you we already get in the system. So we're gonna make it another file. Okay, so to make it that file, we're gonna say echo hacked. That's the text is gonna show up the file, and we're gonna put it like our root direct our root directory, and then cyber442.txt. So before that, I think I'm missing all. So yep, I have to make it this, and then root cyber442.txt. So that's our yep, so hit excuse me. So hit enter. Now we created that file. To see that file, like just I'm gonna say up arrow and then hit enter. It will show you here cyber44. But we need to read it, that file. You know, we're gonna say all right, sudo cat cyber 442.txt. Okay. Oh yeah, we have to tell the directory, root directory. Yep. So that file, it has text in it, and that text was hacked, and that shows you the system is hacked. Yep. I think that this demonstration is done here. One more time. This video is for educational purpose. Please, if you are doing something other than like education or your personal, that's up to you. As I mentioned it before, I'm not liable any damage, any problem that caused this demonstration. I'm doing only for my cyber 442 class with Alex, Metro State University. Uh, if I didn't say it before, my name is Hassan Siad. All right, that's it for the demonstration, and see you next time. Bye bye.